Hey guys, it's Kat, and I'm here to talk about the different definitions of swag. And I found a lot, like about 70 definitions, but most of these don't really make sense. Like, super wealthy and gangsta boys. Another one, stop waving at doors. Souvenirs, wearables, accessories, and gifts. Deal without a girl. I like that one. Semi-wild ass guess. That's a bad word. So, something the Australians got, something the Americans got, something the Asians got. Sour water and gas. Stuff we are given. Yeah, if that makes any sense. Honestly, I don't like flag, or like to use the word or whatever you want to call it, because people just overkilled it. Like, I just ate pizza. Flag. It's, honestly, it's really stupid. But comment down below what you think is the most stupidest thing you ever heard. Like YOLO. Take that as an example. Like kind of what you don't like about it. How people overuse it. Stuff like that. I wanna know. Alright. Peace.